Hey guys, today I'm back with these witch nails, and if you want to know how I did these, keep watching. So I started off with painting my middle and ring finger with this green flaky polish. And then with my Mo London Festive 62 plate, I stamped the witch in black. And then leaving it on the stamper, I'm just using a purple around her ribbon and a metallic green for the smoke coming out of her fingers. And then with a lilac colour, I'm just painting her hair. And then with a light grey, I'm just filling in the hat and her clothes. And then finally white for her eyes, and then nude for her skin. Leaving that to the side quickly while it dries, I'm just applying a foil glue to my middle finger. And once that was tacky, I just stamped on the dry decal. And then cleaning up the outsides and my cuticles with acetone and cleanup brush. So with that 62 plate again, I'm just stamping this Witch Please in purple and straight on the ring finger. And with my pinky and index fingers, I'm painting this purple flaky polish. And then with this Born Pretty stamping plate, I'm just stamping the witchy themed items. And then just to clean up with a brush and acetone. And finally a smudge resistant top coat. And there you go, these witchy nails. If you like these, give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment below. And subscribe would be good. Thanks so much for watching. Bye!